this is Shawnee on the spot, and welcome to my spot. In today's video, I am participating once again in an open invite collaboration called Passionate Purple TableScape 2020. Now this collaboration is hosted by Fabulous Designs on a Budget with Marilyn, co-hosted by Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis, as well as Trevina of TMB Designs. Now I have left all three of the lovely ladies' information in my description block. Please click on their links and visit their pages. I know you will enjoy their beautiful content. Well, here it is, my take on the Passionate Purple TableScape 2020. And as you can see, I went in with the purple, all the way in. I mixed deep dark purple with violet, pulling it in together, hoping that it went well, because as you know, purple comes in many shades and it's hard to just stick with just one. So I pulled out what I had along with a couple of new things. One of the things that's new are those napkin rings. They're actually a DIY. I made those specifically for this project, hoping it would help me to pull that deep purple and violet together. Let me know what you think about those napkin rings. So my TableScape is full of DIYs, as well as some things that I had already on hand, and a couple of new purchases. The two new purchases were those flowers that I got from Walmart. I happened to be there a couple of weeks ago shopping for some essentials and saw those and thought, my goodness, those are beautiful. So on a humbug, I went ahead and picked those up. The other new purchase was the table runner, I believe from eFavorMart, for less than $7, I'm sure. That purple pattern is beautiful on there. Now the plates are the Better Home and Garden series, and I believe I found those a while back at Walmart. That candle stand is an Amazon find around the holiday season. With that pedestal there, I got that at Home Goods many moons ago on clearance, and there was only one. I was hoping there were another, but there was only one there, and I grabbed it up, and it sits, the vase of flowers on it, just perfect, with just a tad bit of hot glue to secure it. Now those candlesticks, those came from Home Goods. And on my buffet table, just full of DIYs. The only thing that's not a DIY is that angel, $3.99, big lots, right after the holiday season. Score. Don't you just love purple? I'll tell you, purple is elegant. It adds sophistication. It adds purpose to any table setting. That's just my personal opinion. There's another good look at those napkin rings. Again, a DIY. The original napkin ring is from the Dollar Tree, and the ribbon that's around it is a glittered ribbon that I found after the holiday season. Again, Dollar Tree, and I have not seen it again since. Some more DIYs. Those curtains, my goodness, I found those for $10 on Amazon, and that is a new purchase. So I think overall I probably spent on my table maybe $25 at the most, not more than that, because mostly everything I had already or was a DIY, including that vase right there. I made that a while back. That's just $2 store vases turned upside down, glued together, spray painted, and added a little bit of bling. And look how beautiful those purple and white lilies look in there. Now those are not real. They're artificial, obviously, with purple in there, but they came from Amazon. DIY vases that I made for a wedding last summer. Now, coming around, those are the stemless champagne flutes at the Dollar Tree that I took and added some glitter and a little bit of bling wrap. The glitter you put on with Mod Podge. The same with that charger, some Mod Podge and some purple glitter. And you go over it again with more Mod Podge to seal it so that you don't get glitter all over your hands or all over everything. And that stand there, that pedestal, I made that as well with 2 dollar store cake plate, not cake plates, I'm so sorry, candle plates, the heavy ones, glued together upside down and put the gemstones in between using hot glue. And that is my pillar candle hack. And the little stand is a vase turned upside down. I like turning stuff upside down and making it, repurpose it for some other reason. But those dollar store candles are 2 of them glued together, and I hid the seam by putting some that ribbon that I used on the napkin rings along with a little bit of bling wrap to give the illusion of a pillar candle. And that's pretty much it. I thoroughly enjoyed doing this TableScape with all the beautiful purple elements on it and some of my own DIYs mixed with some new things and some old things. Let me know how I did. Did I nail it or did I miss it? I'm good with constructive criticism. I'm still here on YouTube learning and just want to share. So I hope that you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, please go ahead and click that like button. Also subscribe, because I do plan to do more, and hope that you will come back and visit me at my spot. Take care.